Hello everyone, welcome to Lady Bay Gardening. I hope you're well today. I just want to do a part 2 video of my pickling cucumber. I started the seed sowing from the 28th of July 2020. So that's about 16 days ago, and now this is how they look like. As you can see, this is 16 days after. And this is how they look like 16 days after. So what I'm going to do is put them to their final destination. So I've already dug a hole, and what I'm going to do is put some that's some fish and bone meal, sorry about that, and some worm casting, of course. And as you can see, look, they've already started. All these are all roots about to go into the ground, so it's about time for me to report them. So I've already got one that I've already taken out. What I'm going to do is put them into the ground. I'm doing square foot garden, so with a square foot garden I can plant two. Let me show you. I can plant two cucumber in a two cucumber in a square foot garden. So what you do is just put it on the ground and cover it up, and make sure when you cover it up, I cover it up all the way to the top there. So all the way to the top, cover everything in, and that's it. That's what you need to do, and should be expecting harvest by September. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Bye.